Scalinata di Trinita di Monti, popularly known as the Spanish Steps, are the extraordinary masterpiece of 18th century scenographic taste, connecting the Piazza di Spagna and one of the 5 French-speaking Catholic churches of Rome. The Piazza di Spagna, or the Spanish Square, got its name after the Spanish embassy for the Vatican has moved here in 1622. To connect the underlying piazza to the 16th century French church Santissima Trinità di Monti, built on the Pincio hill, these steps were built and named after the church as Scalinata di Trinita di Monti, the steps for Trinity on the hill. Over the time, it took the name from the piazza and referred as Spanish Steps. In December 1598, Rome was devastated by a flood of river Tiber, which submerged the city, and a fishing boat stranded in the center of the square. It is said that Pietro Bernini took the reference to the flood theme and built the Fontana della Barcaccia, or Fountain of the Boat, in 1629, commissioned by the Pope Urban VIII. It resembles a sinking boat. In reality, the Barcaccia draws water from the Aqua Vergine aqueduct, which has a low level in that area, so it was appropriate not to give it much elevation. So it's bit below the street level that looks like a boat immersed in water. Later, the idea of building a staircase that would connect the church to the piazza below was proposed, with preliminary project that included an equestrian statue of King Louis XIV in front of the church where the Celestian obelisk stands now. Due to a controversy between the Holy See and the French, the project was delayed, and many years later, Pope Clement XI announced a contest for a new design in 1717. The architect Francesco De Sanctis won the contest and built the steps between 1723 and 1726 using travertine stone, and there are 135 steps. The Celestian obelisk is a copy of an ancient Egyptian obelisk that is currently present in the Piazza del Popolo. It dates back to the 3rd century AD. On the facade of the church, you will see a sun and moon dial on the right. The numbers 1 to 7 are for the sun, and the Roman numericals 18 to 24 are for the moon. The recent restoration of the Spanish Steps was done in 2015 with 1.5 million euros sponsored by the Italian fashion brand Bulgari. And since then, eating, drinking and sitting on the steps has been banned. While you're at the Spanish Steps, take some time to explore the neighborhood. The piazza is now the home for most prestigious art galleries and renewed high fashion shops. Here you can find ateliers of the greatest stylists like Valentino, Bulgari, Prada, Versace, and many more. A 5-minute walk to the north from the Spanish Steps will take you to the Piazza del Popolo, and about 10-minute walk to the south, you will reach the Trevi Fountain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to find my next video.